BF series contactors are available up to 150A in AC3 and up to 165A in AC1. It's fast and easy to fit many accessories to the BF series. Let's find out how together. To fit auxiliary contacts with the central latch on the BFX10, mount the adapter from bottom to top, like this. Then take the contacts and snap them into place in the opposite direction, from top to bottom. The central latching adapter is not needed for mechanical sizes 3 and 4 of the BF series. It's easy to remove them. Use the upper lever to slide out the contact. If you want to also remove the adapter, help yourself with a flat blade screwdriver. Pry like this. Push the adapter down, and that's it.